Hello dear Zoom Auto family. Today's video is not just special, it's royal, it's designer, it's artistic, and honestly, it's the kind of SUV that makes even billionaires say, wow. Family, get ready because today we're checking out the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge Gucci Edition, a mega luxury SUV that blends ultra-rich craftsmanship with high-fashion Italian elegance. Let's get started. The moment you see this SUV, you realize it's not here to compete. It's here to rule. The 2026 Cullinan Black Badge was already the boldest, darkest, most powerful version of Rolls-Royce's legendary SUV. But when Gucci steps in, things go from luxury to mega luxury. This entire vehicle looks like a VIP fashion runway on four wheels. Starting with the exterior, the Black Badge Gucci Edition comes in a stunning deep obsidian black with a mirror-like gloss finish and subtle Gucci red-green accents hand-painted along the body. It's classy, elegant, and loud, but in a very expensive way. The iconic Spirit of Ecstasy at the front is finished in smoked black chrome, giving it a mysterious high-fashion vibe. And Rolls-Royce has given this GUCCI model custom 23-inch forged wheels with a sleek G pattern design. Yes, even the rims are wearing designer clothes. From the side profile, the Cullinan looks massive, tall, and powerful, like a luxury apartment on wheels. But every detail is so clean and so polished that it feels like a moving piece of art. Even the door handles have GUCI engraving. Talk about dripping luxury. Now family, let's step inside and get ready for your jaw to drop. Welcome to a world where Rolls-Royce comfort meets Gucci fashion. The interior is wrapped in premium Italian leather with GUCCI's signature diamond stitching. You'll see the GG monogram on the seats, the door panels, even the floor mats, but in a subtle, luxury way. Nothing looks cheap or overdone. Everything looks handcrafted. The color scheme is a beautiful blend of black, cream, and GUCCI's iconic green and red. The dashboard has laser-engraved patterns, and even the starlight roof features a custom Gucci constellation theme. Imagine driving at night with those glowing stars above you. It feels like your own private universe. Rolls-Royce hasn't forgotten comfort either. The seats are like first-class lounge chairs with heating, cooling, massage, recline, you name it. And there's a new fashion mode that adjusts ambient lighting, fragrance, and music to give you a designer showroom vibe. Pure luxury. Now, let's talk power, because the Black Badge lineup is all about performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Cullinan Black Badge Gucci packs a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine producing around 600 horsepower and massive torque. This giant moves so smoothly that it feels like you're riding on a cloud made of silk. Rolls-Royce's magic carpet ride is already famous, but in this Gucci edition, it feels even more refined. Acceleration? Surprisingly quick for a 3-ton luxury mansion. Handling? Extremely stable thanks to all-wheel steering and active suspension. Noise? Almost none, because silence is the real luxury. And of course, this exclusive GUCCI edition is extremely limited. Only a handful will be hand-built, and each one will cost a massive premium over the regular Black Badge. We're talking millions. This is not just an SUV, it's a collectible masterpiece for the ultra-rich. So family, what have we learned today? The 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge GUCCI is not just a luxury SUV, it's a lifestyle statement, a symbol of taste, status, and fashion at the highest level. If you want performance, comfort, style, prestige, and designer flair all in one, this is your king. If you enjoyed this luxury experience, make sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Take care. Zoom Auto Family.